come black, my brother. Nobody come black, my brother. You're so disgusting, man. Yeah, me not the money, you know. Yeah. Yeah, me not the money. Like, you know, hear that's what you should ask me first. No, you have to go tell a friend too. Because I just tell a brother say me not the money, you know. Me not nothing. Yeah, but come with that story there, you know.
I beg you for Christmas. I tell them don't beg you back.
No, me not ugly. Me just tell him. Yeah, man, I say I road, man. Bless up, man. Manners. We don't have it now. We don't have it now. We don't have it now. Bless up, see me, see it? Yeah. How you get that? Bike you ride? Oh. Oh. How much stitches?
7.
Oh, so you have to go back and take it out.
Monday, man, I go by the clean, but take them, man.
Alright, do your thing, my boss. Blessed, see? Yeah.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly 876 by Bergs. And from here, my voice and you see the video, you know what time it is, right? Yeah, I'm currently in the city of Portmore, you see me? And I'm going to make a pick up downtown, Kingston. Yeah, somebody beg me a little small pick up. So I'm going to pick up somebody. Downtown, actually from school. Yeah. You know? But I need to go get some gas. So I'm going to get some gas. Get some gas at the gas station. And then we'll probably I'm gonna get Kimmy some lunch. Yeah. Probably I'm gonna get Kimmy some lunch too. I'm gonna do all of that before I actually head in something there. I wanna do all of that before I actually head in Kingston. Plus I need to buy a quarter oil. I need to get a quart. Hold on, the truck here pass. Yeah, I need to get a quarter engine oil because you see me have a small oil leak, front crankshaft sealer leak, and I'm not able to reach at the shop or the garage yet to deal with it. So you know we have to keep it topped up. You understand? Yeah. So I need some oil. So after I get give me the lunch and thing, I'm gonna stop at one next gas station and buy the oil. Yeah, I forget. Fully synthetic oil, I forget people. 100% synthetic. Yeah. So that's the pre right now, you understand? Yeah. And it look like we'll probably get a little bit of rain. I don't know, like it look like it all a rain at all. Yeah, it look like it a rain at all. Yeah, look like it's a rain at town, people. But nevertheless, I make a way go in, you see me? Yeah, I make a way go angle of business here quick and fast. People, do remember to like the video them, see? Yeah man, and share the video them for me. Please, share the video them, people. This is important. Need you to share the video them, alright? Bless up to the people that actually share the video them, you know. You see me? Because when I look at my analytics to report them and them some of them, I see say, yeah, the videos are being shared and all of that. But for the one them when I share the video, them I ask you, please, just post the link somewhere. Alright, whether up on your WhatsApp, anyway. If you go over Facebook, anyway, you just post it. You understand? Send it on your broadcast message. Anyway, post it on a little family group on the have, alright? Yeah, man. Post it, man. The other people, whether the rest of relative post a bag of foolishness, who don't say nothing. So, post this too, man. You understand? Yeah, man. And big up to the subscriber, them, all of the viewers, them. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing, you see me? Yeah. Appreciate you every time you tag along on the journey with me. You see me? Yeah. Office. Speaking about that, I have something to do over at tax office too, you know. Yeah. I have something to do at tax office. But yeah, people. They are make away. The place not too warm, you know, the breeze kind of cool. Yeah. And the route where I take go to town today, I actually carry on. I go drive Mandela Highway, so I go drive I-95, which them rename Municipal Boulevard. Well, am I gonna take that route? Yeah, kinda, yeah. And go up on Mandela. And then I gonna go straight down Spanish Town Road. Yeah. Even though I don't like drive a Spanish Town Road car, the boy them drive too terrible. You see me, but I go straight down Spanish Town Road just for come back round and go which part I go make the pick up. You get what I say? Yeah, man. So that's it. School actually over earlier than usual today. Because I don't know it come down, wind down to the holiday time. So you know school now go keep full all day, every day and stuff. So yeah, I just run go make that little pick up here and forward. But I got a gas station right there, so we name Ruby's. Yeah, right, that's what I go get a little gas. That is it, people. Today in the city of Portmore, you know. Right now, I'm telling you, Portmore is booming, you know, people. Yeah, Portmore just want one good hospital and one good market. Yeah, they have places where people sell food and them something. But you know, like when you go a market, and you turn left, you turn right, any turn you turn, food you see a sell. You see me, when I talk, you turn left and you see, you see market and market truck a roll in and them little thing there. One of the market they want a Portmore, you see me? And one good thing there. On the market there, and one good hospital. Yeah. Yeah, people, so I'll get some gas. Hello, afternoon. Can you get 4,090? Yeah. Alright, people, so walking out the Vicks right now, and we're gonna see Yeah, I just have a backup oil going to people and that one, you see me? So yeah, alright, so back in the vehicle. Let's see if we can run go drop off this Kikime. And then after that, it's a pickup time. Alright? Yeah. Oh the man, this man a drive like him want me to see him. From coming in the parking lot. Man come park right side of me. A while ago I come in the car, the man a close up. Yo, brother. Some man act like them love man in them, man. And I don't love man. That's what I say people. Go on like him want me to see him. Alright, my people. Alright, depot away. That'll make be nice because I need to put on my seatbelt, which I'm about to do right now. Roll on back the window them. Yeah. Them people, it look like, I don't know if we're in a fall of town or something, but over there as you can see, well cloudy, overcast. I mean, if we reach on the rain, then it's not fall neither, we don't know, but we'll see when we get there. Let's up fam. Pick up somebody now. Yeah, afternoon, I'll pick up somebody now. Somebody in the front. Alright people, so come over here for drop off for lunch for Kimmy, but now I get her on her phone people, so guess me I have to keep this until such time. Because now I get her on her phone. Anyways, I'm gonna make the pickup right now though, peeps. You see me? Now I get our people. My call in my blue, 10,000 missed call. But now I get her, so yeah, I'm gonna make the pickup come back at Portmore, hopefully. I mean, she will call me. You understand? Yeah, me need somebody. Alright, so we actually going to take it back on Dyke Road again. Yeah, I'll take it on Dyke Road and go Waterford side. And then go on I-95 and then Mandela Highway. So that's how we're going to take it. Alright, Rika, I just all see a comment from me, pertaining to tastes, I just talk about that, I can reply upon this and tell us I just talk about the same thing to another video. Yeah. Yup. Yeah man people, so I just read a comment. Rika, same Rika when I just big up when I see the Air Canada. I say she gonna taste this. The comment, read the actual comment. It said I went to taste it and I was very much disappointed. The patties were cold and hard, like they were overnight patties. You see me? Yeah, and she have a little sad face with a teardrop. So, you see people, and like me I tell, taste this, you have to do something. You have to jump off a farm. You got to do something. Yeah, you have to do something. People, to my right, slightly, a Jam World. The entrance at that. But over the bush, mostly to my right, a Jam World. You see me? Yeah, people. Well, I in front of me to a Jam World or something. But no Jam World stinky and something. Yeah, man. Jam World over there, so you see me? Yeah. Over there, they say this thing I'm going to keep later on this month. But yeah, man, anyways. So, Rika actually just commented the same thing on me I say. Same thing on me I say about the party. You see me? I don't know if I'm very sure which one of the video. I guess I must see the video I must mark lunchtime or some kind. In another video, I think I'm going to taste this, go buy party. You see me? I don't might be that complain about it either. But I really pray, like me usually bring tasties for my back. And when people used to come talk about, oh, juicy this, juicy, I say, yo, not foolishness in that chat. Right now, as I said earlier, right now, juicy. Tasty, I go and joke thing. Yeah, tasty, I go and with joke thing right now, people. May I tell you now. Big joke thing, tasty, I go right now, people. Tasty, we need to step up the game. Can't be big burn like that I want a mac and toast right now. You see me? Yeah. Oh, by the way, people, this is a Dyke Road. Dyke Road, okay? Yeah, Dyke Road. You don't want around us in a rush hour. Especially in the evening. Traffic no move around here, so none tall. It no move. You just park up and wait till 10 o'clock in the night. Yeah, no joke, people. Serious thing I tell you. Traffic no move. You see me? But here you can big up yourself, you see me? Yeah man, big up yourself. Me a thing you go on with. See you on whole heap of flag. Yeah man, we see you man. Think we see you on Judah flag. Think we see you on Judah flag. Yeah man. What do you person now? Corporal squad them hiding. Corporal squad them in the bush hiding. What tell you? Uncle na Jamaica police hide in a bush, you know, man. Uncle na Jamaica police hide in a bush. For a reason I don't know. But yeah, man, Rika, we see you down at Junior. I have one I don't watch yet though. I don't watch. I don't know if I the same day or what, because I say I not even watch it. But I think the one with the fish, where you have the fish in there, and I think you're on the thumbnail too. You see me? Yeah. But I'm glad how you enjoy yourself still, you know? Yeah, man. Not easy up in the cold day, you know? Trust me. So I'm glad how you come a yard and full enjoy yourself. You see it? Yeah, big up yourself every time. You see me? Yeah, your family, you see me? And your pops and your sister and all I would. Big up. You see me? Yeah. Alright people, so I take on the road and so just through one drive for to see all Spanish Town Road and everything. And that's why I take that long route here. You understand? Yeah, that's why I take that long route here. Because I know I'm used to the Portmore toll and I'm used to the whole of them places. So I take on this way. I do want to use the Mandela Highway too. Our amount of videos may have done that. Alright, the road there with the straight either way, a toll road that take you down to Old Harbour, Maypen. You know? Yeah man, Clarendon side, Mandeville side. That's the road that takes you there. Yeah. Why is this little car driving like that? Sometimes it's police that's up there, you know. That just get bite. Beat that stoplight, you know, people, guys. Yeah. Need to get to where we're going. But yeah, people buy the food and people, when me in a place, I talk to Kimmy. I tell her me in the place, I go buy the food, I come. She actually come there, the cashier, so I actually ask her what she want. And she tell me what she want. And I say, alright. So I buy the food, and I say, I come. She say, how long she got to get it? So I say, I come now. You understand? Just talk to her. Just talk to her, people. Just talk to her, you see me? Blessed. Nah, bit to them, I swear. Alright, brother, yeah. Some windshield wiper that people, but I not change. I not change for me. I really want them, you know? Wipe the glass, I'm not have nothing to give them. You understand? If I even have bills, normally I have bills, I give them. But it's not there right now, you know? Yeah. It's not here now. So what does there? Come go and check.
Say a clean number. You know, have no foolish and not take 100 please and down.
Nah, be right now. Bless up. Yeah, another one that come as a rate, but I don't have it right now. We'd have it, man. Definitely, man. You see it, but not right now. Alright, so this is a Mandela Highway, my people. See? So we are go straight across. Might go under the bridge at 3 miles or so. Yeah, probably drive. We have the overpass too. Might take it that way, I'm not sure. Right, this is 6 mile people, see it? Yeah, 6 mile area. We are going to keep right. Get me? Yeah, we are keep right. If we go straight at the car, we don't do any park side. Washington Boulevard, do any park, Corville Yard, them places. Drive past Jewsland, Mar Valley, them places, you see me? But this is the way we're going. Straight down here. Drive past Riverton, Callaloo Bed, Seaview, Waterhouse, them place there. Whole heap of factories and things there on the stretch of road there, people. You see me? Yeah, whole heap of factories. Toyota Jamaica there on the road there, KIG there on the road there. Them they actually car mart and garage for like authorized dealers. You get what I say? Yeah. So at them place you find the authorized dealer them. You understand? Yeah. And then you know as I said the factory them, you have Red Stripe, you have Pepsi. You have the biscuit company which is Excelsior. Whole heap of place. See me? Spanish Town Road are one busy piece of road, people. Yeah. And as you can see, there's no markings in the road, no white line. Yeah. No marking, no white line. A road up to my left, which is Waymouth Drive, can take you back out for Washington Boulevard. over Sandy Gully. Yeah. Big gully there. Yeah. So Toyota Jamaica, so them are like the authorized Toyota dealer in Jamaica. Yeah. So him ride bike, people. So him ride theme bike. One hand cock off, one foot cock off. So them ride. You see it stylish. You see him ride bike. Boy, I tell you, Jamaicans, we are the best. One hand cock off and him the side way him sit down on the bike basically. Tell you. I'm gonna take one under the bridge or some people. You see me? Yeah. People, look how I forgot to buy all the oil. Not even remember say me did to buy the oil. I forgot get it, you know. Yeah, I forgot get it today. I forgot get it. So I need to set a windscreen wiper. Straight, me all want to go in people and I not even realize it, you know. No, I don't want to wipe. Yeah, I not the money, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I not the money. Like, you know, here, that's why you should ask me first. No, you have to tell a friend too. Because I just tell a brother say I not the money, you know. I not nothing. Hey, but come with that story there, you know.
You cannot, I beg you for Christmas. I tell them don't beg you back when
No,
you
we're not have them. But just tell him.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I say a road, man. Bless up, man. Manners. We don't have it now. We don't have it now. We don't have it now. Bless up, see me, see it? Yeah. How you get that? Bike you ride? Oh. Oh. How much stitches?
7.
Oh, so you have to go back and take it out.
Money man, I go by the clean go take them.
Alright, do your thing, my boss. Blessed, see it? Yeah.
Nobody attack you.
Man have some stitches in him head there. Fight him and fight. People are straight, I straight me for going now, but me in the wrong lane. Wrong lane me in people. Wrong lane me in. Alright, I make it cross. Them vehicle I turn, them I turn, you know, but there ain't a problem, you know. Wrong lane me in a while ago, people. Wrong lane. Yeah, man, so I wipe the glass anyway still, you know, but the man say he might beg me a thing if I even have 5 bills. Yo, they like them youth and them ambitious. It's ambitious. Ambitious a fret. But yeah, man, people, 3 mile area this, you see me? Yeah. I'm going down Spanish Town roadside, you see it? I go down to some other garrisons like Painland, Mackay Lane. Yeah, man, can take a run as I go down Mongoose Town. Whole heap of place in the people. Yeah, man, play thing, man, a whole heap of place, man. You see me? Yeah, whole heap of place. And I think LiQWYD down here so too, yeah. LiQWYD housing scheme. I have LiQWYD lane. Yeah. And as you can see again, you know, people, no markings in our road. Free for all. And that one is more serious because you have traffic a flow both direction. You see me? And then you have the taxi and the busman, them will make them own a lane. Both going down, coming up. You see me? Yeah, it's serious on the road, man. I'm telling the people, if you don't have to drive on the road, don't do it. You see me? Take Marcus Garvey drive. Easier commute and all of that. Better road surface. You see me? Yeah. Better road surface, my people. I'm telling you. See them looking yellow bus here? 81 Whitehouse bus. Worst thing them, man. Ever. Yeah, little rain and drip, people, so you know I'm gonna make the wiper just swish little. Kinda get rid of the water, you see me? Yeah, because we know it can affect the lens. Quality of the video, you know? Yeah. Sometimes a little rain drop just drop right in front tight tip and make it blurry. Yeah, man, people. So actually I go on Duke Street where I go. I go up on Duke Street, so we're gonna take it down here, so we might go around Ocean Boulevard and then come straight up Duke Street, you see me? Yeah. What's money I make him own a lane, you know? So they murk people. So well, you know? Never see my boss. Never see him. Brother did want to play a while ago, but I didn't see him. man, you make him on a lane today. See it? And he want to pick up that girl here. So he want to do it. Nobody come black, my brother. Nobody come black, my brother. You're so disgusting, man. Look, hey. Man, them disgusting on the road here, you know. He might create him own a lane and I go down, and then all of a sudden he want to pick up that person there, so he want to cut over. And this is how them drive all day, every day, you know, people. And then the road bad, because them people have to drive way over your side of me. Yo, I'm telling the people. It's not easy. The road there, if you just block off this road there, man. Or make it one lane and put some big median in the road. Yeah, man, call them bus and them taxi man, yeah, man. Them disgusting on the road, yeah, man. Tell you, them disgusting bad. People, I'm not telling a lie. Sometimes you know, little traffic and you want to cut out and you know, yeah, sometimes you want, so that's a shut up your road. See? But them man do drive bad without a cause. Now when no traffic, no dead, no reason at all. Them just drive bad. Yo, can't bother with them driver, your brother. Honestly. So them places are trench town, my people, then I'm town. So this is Denham Town Police Station. On the left side, yes. Down here to garden already, right? Yeah. West Kingston.
To his family, to his fiancée, to his parents.
So we're going to take it right this on the straight road. But I carry on around this, but I think the road block off. Some parts around some block off people. It's a taxi man here. Yeah, some parts around some block off, so just drive that way here. See my I drive Ocean Boulevard. On the waterfront round the sun, I drive this and then go up Duke Street. I cut the road this and lay some fiber optic cable. I don't know. I guess it's for the network. I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know where the cable is for now. I don't even know what that cable is for. No indicator, no nothing. Man just push out him head and then drive. And look at him. What is he doing? Tell people I need to go back to school, bro. Trust me. Driving is terrible. But yeah, we're currently there on Ocean Boulevard, also known as the waterfront. Digicel head office down here, so hotel there down here, so just up on the left, let me see a Jamaica Conference Center. So here people, we actually go straight across. Straight across. Yeah, people, this is Duke Street. And it stretch, go straight across, it go across East Queen Street and go up. And we almost reach the destination to people, so the video does have like a few more minutes left. So the video actually I come to a close up as you know people. Just I look for a little parking, you know, because the school is right in this vicinity. So I'm just trying to find the parking. Yeah? That's what I'm trying to do. I think this is it. Alright people, bless up on yourself, you know, give thanks for journey with me, you see me? I always appreciate your company whenever you want to chat along with me, alright? So, until the next video, yeah, and do remember to like the video them people. Please click like on the video them and please share the video them zine. Drop in the comments. You don't know the shops already, man. Angle the business, man, do the right thing, alright? 876 by Bergs, you know, people, and I'm out. LiQWYD.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.